Hey friends, it's Sharon and welcome back to Beauty
and Beyond!
Yay! So today guys, we are going to do a mukbang video or a cheat day. Mag-cheat day kami. Oh, wag kang masyadong mag-alaw dyan ba? So mag-cheat day kami and for our cheat day for today is kakain kami nitong donuts from Dunkin Donut. Yung initial plan ko pala is we will be doing a mukbang on Happy House Donuts, but yun nga kahapon. It's kinda a little fail because we were looking for the Happy House Donut doon sa may Tabunok Grand Fiesta Mall but hindi namin nahanap. Diba, Dino? Sashi was with me when we went to look for the Happy House Donut. Kasi na-try ko siya, if you're asking, doon kasi yun sa Cordova, tapos medyo malayo ang Cordova dito from sa amin. So, hopefully, meron din sa South Bus Terminal. So, hopefully, yun yung gagawa natin ng mukbang or cheat day. But for now, we are going to be eating or devouring ourselves on this delicious donut. By the way, guys, this is a set from Dunkin Donut. 5 premium donuts and 6 regular donuts, which is 299 pesos only. So, eto is half dozen na binili ko for only 22 pesos each. So, yeah, excited na ba kayo? Are you excited to eat a donut? So, let's get started eating! Yay! So, first, what are you gonna eat?
Good.
Unsa man? Okay, go ahead. Let's try the kaning malangalami. Unsa man inyo?
No, the best for last.
Kani, sige, let's try kanang kita. O, ikaw una, ate.
The best for last.
Maglalaway kami. Let's try each dayon magkaon tay tagato. Lami. Do you like it? Unsay nga nani, this is I don't know.
Lady finger.
Hindi naman to lady finger. I asked the girl kung anong flavor nito pero sabi niya ganun siya. Hindi niya ako sinagot, so I'm gonna try. I don't know what's the name. I'm just going to put this on the screen kung anong pangalan nito. I don't know. Hindi namin ma-zoom in. Oh, nagugad-ugad ako po.
Turn.
Excited na si Baba. That one tastes good, no? Let's try the eclairs muna. And then let's eat the rest, okay? I'm gonna do the first bite. That one did not have filling.
Kana mo i-bite, ayaw ko.
Ayaw.
Wala na i-feeling.
Wow, merong feeling, guys. It tastes so good. I-share ka mo ni Baba, ha? Okay? No, lami. Sarap ng eclair. Wow. Gano'n ka, uy. So, next, kinsa naman mukhaon na yung eclair. Try muna natin kasi hindi pa namin na-try to. Ano ka?
Tiramisu na.
Tagay siyang tissue day. Tiramisu. Yun, eclair. Tapos, eto. Tiramisu. Hindi ko pa din na-try yung eto kasi I always buy yung yung matcha. So, will be the one to eat first. Lami na ka. Naka-try naman kami lang una ni Baba.
Yum. Yum.
This one tastes good. Parang may coffee flavor na.
Ako na.
Oh my God, guys. This sales for individually 49 pesos or 40 pesos? 49 or 42. Basta around that price lang. Ang sarap. It's not very pricey compared to Krispy Kreme, no, o Jayco. Kasi yung ganitong donut sa ano, yung normal lang na honey glaze ng Jayco, 42 pesos or 39 ba to? Yun.
I do not remember.
This one
Ah.
is really, really good. Next ba yung ano, nakatry na mo, anak? Pwede.
No.
No.
Definitely my favorite yung ano. Wala is one.
May feeling.
Oh, you haven't tried this, di ba? Na-feeling ka po.
Ano ako magtitulas?
Siya na sa una, be.
Yes.
Oh.
Ayun! Go! Hindi ko na part.
By the way, we are drinking. Nakita nyo ba? Pepsi Zero. Ayan, ito yung drink namin. Dito ko ilalagay sa likuran namin.
Pati lang ako.
Ew.
Noon.
No, it tastes good. After that, we will eat each of yung gusto namin na ano donut. Nami, di ba? I like this one kasi it's matcha.
Mga day duhay palit.
If I'm going to ask you
No.
both, asa man, which one yung pinaka-fave ninyo?
Kani and this.
Tiramisu.
Ha? Tiramisu and kani mo ba? Pero masarap yung eclair.
Ganun.
Oh, you speak Tagalog, please. Nobody cannot understand you or English. Oh, which one is your favorite? My favorite is
Ay,
eto.
no, not
This
this
one,
This
eclair, tiramisu, and matcha. Ikaw din.
I
I
don't
hate this.
lady finger.
Yeah, you get one. I'll just ask for. Ako, of course, I'm gonna try my.
Ah.
I'm gonna eat my favorite one, which is. This is mocha. Mocha, no? Mocha roll. Mocha, basta mocha. And then that one is chocolate. Chocolate top. Then this is choco and peanut. Basta. I really like this one. So let's do a little Q&A. Ate, what grade are you na next year?
Grade 10.
What? Wow. Ikaw ba?
Grade 1.
Tarong. Dapat serious.
Grade 6.
Oh, Baba will be turning grade 6 next year. Kasi today is June already, but ano na nila? Iba na kasi yung ano nila, school calendar.
Summer.
Yeah. Can I try yours? Nami,
Ako.
I haven't tried this. Nag-level up na talaga yung ano taste ng Dunkin Donut. Ano before ano? Ito man eh. Si ate ay we stopped eating Dunkin Donut because it is so sweet, but now ano na siya? Masarap na siya.
You mean you?
Hindi na siya masyadong sweet, tapos ano masarap na yung mga flavor niya, unlike before ba?
Yes.
What are you doing? Saan yung sunod?
Meh.
Saan mo ha? Kanyang wa pa nato na try. Kanina sa dam. Di ba? Kana bang wala, karon ba nga na? Wala nato na try.
Sprinkle something.
Where's the pizza? No.
Kana,
Bite.
Ito is ano, Bavarian. Baba is choco sprinkle. Wala, lumipad na yung fly away. Good thing with ano Dunkin Donut is ang sarap ng donut niya. So next yung kakainin natin.
Like a minute.
Boston cream. Oh, you first? I think I'm full na.
Ako ganyan.
Let's try moving on sa blackberry filling. Di ka ganan sa dani, no? Baba doesn't like something na filling. Raspberry baba filling.
Karon dayon na natusundan.
Cheat day, mga good.
I cannot hold it on.
What? You gave up? Sige na. When I watch yung mga mukbang yung sino yan? Always Hungry, yung si Olivia. Grabe, if I watch them yung when they do cheat day video, grabe, she eats the entire donut, 6 pieces or more. And then the next morning, yung yung pinakain na donut, and then the next, then kumain pa din siya ng mga iba, then evening, meron pa din pizza and stuff. Hindi ko kaya yun. And I think we are getting weak because of the sugar.
Awkward kay Kathy.
I think we are going to give up na, guys. Grabe. I think we got drowsy already with all the sweets. Pero, in fairness, hindi naman siya ganyan ka-sweet, no? If yung time na kumain kami ng Krispy Kreme, mas sweet, no? Hindi nga natin nakain lahat, no? Konti lang yung mga nakain namin. Tapos, bumili kami ng marami din, no? Katong Halloween na box. Because we were so excited. Yeah, no, yung Spider-Man na koan, then Frankenstein. Frankenstein, Halloween man.
Frankenstein.
Yeah, Frankenstein. Tapos, sumakit yung ngipin ko noon kasi masyado siyang matamis.
I think.
No, you did not even finish one donut ba, no?
Lood.
Yeah. But next time, are we ready for another Krispy Kreme?
No.
Because after the Dunkin donut, of course, we eat fries. And then next would be Krispy Kreme. And then next would be Jayco. But I really wanted
Ayun,
Happy
donut
House
rin.
donut. I like donuts. So we're back from the break. Grabe. So we are just going to finish this one, yung mga maliliit na natira, guys. Asay mo ha, dahil baba.
Question.
How tall are you ba?
I don't know.
Di ba?
What is an
My God, guys. Last na talaga to. And we're signing off.
No?
So, meron pa mga natira, guys. Eto. Dalawang tapos yung sa premium. Yan. Iba na yung aking premium donuts. Eto pa. So, we weren't able to finish everything kasi, grabe. I thought that I would be eating a lot kasi, it's been a while talaga na I've been craving to eat donut and yun nga, every night I watch yung mga cheat day na, yung donuts and then I am so excited to eat donuts na nga and pero ngayon hindi pala siya madali kasi ilan lang ba yung na-eat natin, no? 3 premium donuts tapos may natira.
Wala man ko natin.
Tapos, premium donuts, 3 premium donuts here. This is the regular donut. So, yung ano na lang, mga 4 donuts na lang yun natira kasi half lang custard cream tapos half din yung Bavarian. So, ayan guys, that's a wrap. I think we need to take a break now or forever break kasi we cannot talaga kaya to put another donut inside my mouth. How about you? Do you still want to eat?
No.
Do the honor. What about you, girl?
She's not a girl.
So I think that's it for today's video, guys. I hope na nag-enjoy kayo and make sure that you give this video a thumbs up if you like watching mukbang or cheat day, especially donut. If you like donut, eating donut, better give this video a thumbs up and also make sure that you are subscribed to my channel if you are not yet subscribed, and also definitely hit the notification bell so that you will be not missing any of my videos. So thank you once again for watching and we hope to see you on our next one. And yeah, always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile, and we will see you on our next video.